Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and I think the wind's going to make this a little bit hard to hear, so let me keep it real short and sweet. If you've been following my videos, following our trail, my 48-state road trip with my family while we've made it to the West Coast, made it to San Francisco, I got the Golden Gate Bridge behind me, we're all in one piece and still alive. It's been a lot of fun, and I got a lot more ideas and trainings and thoughts and inspirations to share with you. What I want to do is keep this video short and sweet and simple. If you've been following my videos, I want to give you a gift. Simply email me, tom@tomzeeb.com, and I am going to send you a gift. So from San Francisco, starting our slow progression back east, it's Tom Zeeb for Traction Real Estate Mentors, signing off. It's a lot less windy here. So look, to celebrate our road trip across the United States, and we've made it to the West Coast. Golden Gate Bridge, to me, is an iconic drive on it. Just simply email me, tom@tomzeeb.com, and I'm going to send you a special gift. tom@tomzeeb.com, and thank you, and I appreciate you watching my videos. Tom Zeeb, signing off. No way I can do the video from here. Too much noise.